wired all these with 14.2, the little ones on top, the light over the sink, and I put them all into this box, a double gang, and I ran these from power over there. The other side was easier. So today they're putting up the railing for the top. The steps are temporary, so is the railing, because we'll do something very nice here. But in order to get past inspection, we have to put something up. Seems kind of redundant, but whatever. And as far as supporting, he's gonna not put a post here like he said he was. He's putting a post 8 feet in from there to there. It's a nice piece of cedar. It'll come down, and he's gonna run a board, a 2x6 across here. Get my finger out of the way to double it up, and that should be supportive enough. This is a piece of cedar. I gouged it out, and I'm gonna try and fill it with epoxy or something so it doesn't look so bad. Needs to stand in it flat. It's really a pretty piece of wood. Too bad that happened. I don't know how it happened, but it is what it is. So I think we're finished with the panel, and actually finished with stripping all of our outlets. So I finished with all the outlets, the wiring, the stripping, preparing it for the rough-in inspection. Half of the railing is up. I have to caulk holes for fireproofing. Go down there. Finishing the front. Wow. Quite the view up here. Yeah, you can hang it. Not as big as I thought. What? Yeah, it was a lot bigger. Those white boards, pine boards, will be painted black to match the molding. Is that for upstairs?
Yes.
We got 2 posts up there. He's putting up another one over there.